Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily use the all controls and gestures on your speaker. First let me take the speaker in the hands. Now if we click this middle button here, we can pause and play our music. As you can see, it's that easy. If we click this button, which is plus button, we can increase the volume level and minus decrease. It's that easy, as you can see. As you can see, if we double tap this button, which is the middle button, which is the pause and play button, we can go to the next song. But if we do a triple tap, we can go to the previous song. That's it. Hope it helps, and goodbye. Have a nice day.